Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, after biometrics had been started in India, initially it was for student visas and for family reunification, like spouse, partner and dependent child. So a lot of people were asking like when exactly they are gonna start for other categories like visitor visa. So unfortunately, this limitation is gonna continue at least till January 2021, because I'm showing you the recent tweet from the official account of Canadian Embassy in India, Canada in India. So they have clearly written the VSAs in India will continue to prioritize appointments for study permit and family class applicants into January 2021. We recognize the contributions of international students and the processing of study permits remain a priority. Even with expanded hours of operation at VSA, not all students will be able to enroll their biometrics and have their application finalized before their January classes start. So they do recognize the high number of students from India, and they do understand how important it is to get through them. That is why they have extended their working hours, but still it is not enough. Many DLIs continue to offer online classes. Students may attend online classes as they wait for their study permit application to be processed. I can understand like many people have urgent reasons to travel even on a visitor visa. It could be any support or anything, like every case is different, and without biometric application cannot be processed into the next stage. So there are certain ways you can do, but I cannot say that you should go for it, but I know many people have done it, like scheduling your biometrics in other countries if possible, and if so urgent in your case. Of course, again, totally it is up to you, because I know people those who have done in Dubai. Now you have more options in Nepal as well. You can take a look. In the Indian subcontinent, it is available everywhere, but I have not done research about Nepal, like under what categories they are accepting and about the entry and exit rules due to this COVID situation in Nepal. So if you are planning for anything like that, make sure you understand everything and then you proceed. So thanks for watching this now. I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.